You guys, I found the product that I wanted to show you. It's the Micro Stroke pen by Anastasia. This was gifted to me and I want to review it here and stay tuned. All right, so let's unbox it because that's the first thing that I need to do. Oh my God, the look is beautiful and it has this like gradient. It goes from like a dark to like a light color. You can see that. I got the color ebony. It comes with a spoolie and the tip. Right, so let's try it. Super excited. I'm gonna get really up close and personal with you guys. And I want a mirror. Let's see. All right. Oh my God, I have like the worst luck with mirrors. They're always dirty. So I have like a bald spot like around here. If you can see it, but I'm gonna do like little streaks. And I have like a very few bald spots right here. And then, oh my God, you can see that it like fills it in. The strokes are so minimal. Like you guys, I did like a swatch. Let me do a swatch here for you guys. Look at that. That swatch is like just like in here, and it doesn't rub off at all. Look at that. No rubbing off. So you know that thing, that little strand streak that you're drawing on is going to be staying there. I have like very minimal hair right here, so I'm gonna be adding a few strands. Look at that. Very minimal, very soft. I'm messing up with some hairs here, so look at that. I love it. Thank you, Anastasia.